accessible from a phone, tablet, or computer. The Wello platform allows you to book appointments, complete your profile, and securely chat with medical care coordinators. Now, let's get to it. On the start date of your service, you will receive an email with a unique registration link to log in, create a password, complete your profile, and add your family members. After completing your registration, log in to your Wello account. From your profile homepage, you can quickly request a phone or video appointment for yourself or your dependents about any symptom or a description of your medical request. As soon as possible or at a time that is convenient. 10 minutes before the appointment time, you will receive a text reminder on your mobile phone, so you can go about your day and not wait in line. Under Appointment, you can view or cancel upcoming appointments, review and rate past appointments with a post-appointment survey. We encourage you to fill out the survey after each appointment, as feedback helps us continuously improve the quality of our service delivered to you. Under Secure Messages, you can send, read, and reply to secure communications and treatment plans, usually sent by our clinicians after each appointment. The Wello secure messaging system works like emails and ensures a real continuity of care between you and our clinicians. Messages include follow-up on lab or test results, confirmations of prescriptions, sick notes, and more. You can view a brief medical history of your current medications, conditions, allergies, family, nutrition, and more. This section must be completed upon your registration and can be updated if things change, as it helps our clinicians be more active when delivering care and treatment plans. Wello also lets you add, edit, or remove family members under Family and book appointments for each of them. Note that each Wello member above the age of 18 will access their own Wello account to directly book appointments, view secure messages, and chat with our medical care coordinators. Unsure where to start? Chat with one of Wello's medical care coordinators. They can assist via chat when booking appointments, reviewing medical notes, or simply seeking assistance when navigating through the Wello platform. That's it! Thank you for watching a demo of our Wello portal. We are looking forward to supporting all your employees' healthcare needs. Should you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to send me a note at sales@wello.ca.